This procedure begins by fabricating a microelectrode on a silicone substrate. A polyethylene glycol self-assembled monolayer is formed over the microelectrode and substrate to prevent fouling of microtubules. Then, rhodamine-labeled microtubules are prepared. Finally, microtubules are patterned onto the passivated electrodes using electrophoresis.
Hi, I'm Noel from the Nanolab in the Department of Physics and from the Molecular Biomechanics Laboratory in the Department of Biomedical Engineering at Texas A&M University.
I'm Winfried Teizer from the Physics Department and the Director of the Center for Nanoscale Science and Technology at Texas A&M University.
And I'm Wonmuk Hwang, the Director of the Molecular Biomechanics Laboratory at Texas A&M University, Department of Biomedical Engineering.
Today we will show you a procedure for fabricating microelectrodes coated with a non-fouling self-assembled monolayer.
We use this procedure in our laboratory to study microtubule patterning using electrophoresis.
So let's get started.
To begin, use a scribe or wafer cutter to cut silicon wafers into 1 cm by 1.5 cm pieces to use as substrates. Now clean the substrates by placing them in a beaker with enough acetone to cover them and sonicate for 5 minutes. Without allowing the substrates to dry, rinse them in fresh acetone and then immediately rinse them again in isopropanol and use nitrogen to dry them.